The LOCARE, Low Carbon Economic Regions, is an Interreg 4 C-Mini program running from January 2010 until December 2013 in 6 European regions. Region of Southern Denmark in Denmark, Region Västra Gotland in Sweden, Region of the Principality of Asturias in Spain, Region Emilia-Romagna in Italy, Gorenska in Slovenia, and the province of Zeeland in the Netherlands. The LOCARE project is an initiative to reduce CO2 emissions regionally and locally, with the main objective of developing low-carbon solutions at regional and local level and contributing to economic growth at the same time. On January 2011, in Gijón, Spain, an international conference about climate change and sustainable energy organized by the regional government of Asturias in the framework of the LOCARE project was held. Linked into this conference, a site visit was arranged to show 2 industrial initiatives, which could exemplify the path towards a low-carbon regional economic model. The first stop was at Rio Glass Solar SA, a joint venture between the Spanish leading company in the renewable sector, Abengoa, and the leading thermotemplate glass company, Rio Glass. This joint venture is today the world's leading supplier of thermotemplate glass for concentrated solar power, CSP, and also concentrated photovoltaic, CPV, installations. Concentrated solar power, CSP, includes systems that use mirrors to concentrate a large area of sunlight, or solar thermal energy, onto a small area. Electrical power is produced when the concentrated light is converted to heat, which drives a heat engine, usually a steam turbine, connected to an electrical power generator. Through systems are the most developed CSP technology. A parabolic through consists of a linear parabolic reflector that concentrates light onto a receiver positioned along the reflector's focal line. The receiver is a tube positioned directly above the middle of the parabolic mirror and is filled with a working fluid. The reflector follows the sun during the daylight hours by tracking along a single axis. A working fluid is heated to 150 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit as it flows through the receiver and is used as a heat source for a power generation system. The company Rio Glass set up its first factory on the former coal washery plant of Sevilla, belonging to the coal mining company Hunosa. And nowadays, it is a successful case of regional economic reconversion, replacing a polluted site where coal residues were accumulated for many years by a green economic activity, the current Glass Valley. Rio Glass Solar has supplied mirrors for solar projects in Spain, the United States of America, Algeria, Morocco, and Israel. Nowadays, it is developing its first US mirror factory in Surprise, Arizona, deploying the first phase with a yearly capacity of production that reaches 900,000 through mirrors that will be added to the 1.3 million mirrors already produced in the 2 Spanish factories. The site visit to La Pareda, a coal-firing power plant developed in the 1990s and owned by the mining company Hunosa, was the second and last milestone of the tour. This plant was designed according to the best available technology, BAT, at the moment, and was co-financed by the Demonstration Programme on Energy and by the EORDF of the European Union. Its circulating atmospheric fluidized bed combustion provides steam for a capacity of 50 megawatts, fed by coal-dump colliery wastes and biomass. In addition, a test rig for the capture of CO2 on the flue gases of La Pareda is being developed in a joint venture of a group of companies, Hunosa, Endesa and Babcock Wilcox. This infrastructure is realized with the aim to demonstrate that carbon capture and sequestration, CCS, could be a suitable option to force the reduction of CO2 without affecting the relevant capacity of electrical production based on non-renewable sources in the region. In fact, CCS could be a promising technology to support a feasible transition to a sustainable use of fossil fuels for those regions characterized by an energy production system focused on the intensive combustion of gas and coal.